welcome back to my channel. Sorry it's been a while, but today I'm going to be giving this side of my office a makeover. So I have some peel and stick wallpaper. It's pink, it's floral, it's Pioneer Woman, so I'm super excited. I also got a new desk chair that's gonna match it. It's gonna look so cute. So let's get started. Not for everyone, but perfect for me. Alright, so that's how it's looking. And to the rest here, I'm going to order 2 more rolls, but I'm going to go ahead and get my desk set up, and then I'll just have to finish this piece later. So this is how my desk is looking now. As you can see, I just don't have any room to work. And then this chair is cute and all, but the legs are like broken. My desk is pretty much filled, so that's why I'm bringing in another workspace in here. Check it out.